Too late for the maintenance.
Hell, I would have lost money. I just said there wasn't no grease in it. Apparently it's been being greased.
Looks like it's a little full of grease, huh, True?
Yeah, that's happened. You know what? I mean, when they put too much grease on it, I mean, the grease, go nowhere. Just want to pop it off the seal and then go inside with the brakes or the drum. That's what happened. I mean,
I'm sure somebody put the little battery tire grease gun on it, but yeah. That's our new greatest thing. We got a little Harbor Freight electric battery tire grease gun.
That doesn't look so bad anymore. Looks brand new now.
Right now it looks brand new. Let's see this one is good. This is the challenge right here. Take this one off.
Oh, I see. Trailer Parts Unlimited.
Good morning. I was looking to buy 6 nuts, for the axle.
A 6-lug axle?
Yes.
Okay. We have plenty of them in stock. What length of axle do you need?
It's for a 3,200 pound trailer. The drums is 82 inches and the range is 35 inches.
Okay. We have some in stock. They're $420 a piece.
It comes with the brakes?
Yes, sir. That's fully assembled, ready to go.
Yeah, the problem is when this one, the little piece right here with the bearing, start grinding, cut this part right here.
Yeah.
Spin of it busted. Just barely starting right here. You see that it made it, but
Yeah,
I mean,
I think it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. You know.
When it did that, I think all the grease didn't pass that seal. And
Yeah,
got in
that's
there.
happened, man. That's happened. And a lot of people put it grease and grease and grease.
Yeah.
Where do you think the grease go?
Yeah.
You know.
At least they were putting grease in it, I guess.
I mean, that's why. I mean, if you put a little bit grease one time, the next time you need to bet you open it, and then cleaned up the bearings and put a new bearings and seal whatever it is, the conditions. And but people putting grease and grease and grease and grease. By the time you see the grease coming out outside with the freaking
Back there on the brakes?
yeah, and like then he said, "What, the brakes not working no more?
Yeah, I wonder why.
Got full of grease on it. That's why." Not too bad anyways. Where's the gas one? Oh. This one, the back one's already. I don't know if this does. the bottom is a little bit jam, the thread, you know. Okay. Spin a little bit. Sit on there. Make sure it's okay. Yeah, it's all the way. So we can So this one,
Fold them out, right?
yeah, it's only one of those. Let's go right here. Yeah, I like better this one with the other ones. The one that go like this.
Yeah.
That's what you got it before. The one that get like straight like that. So let's pop it off. That's where I start losing everything. So where's the little? You want to clean it out or just put it like it is?
Somebody will suck that grease out.
Okay. I don't think it this one. It doesn't go right there. I'm gonna try to do it like this. Let's go. Okay. You ready for the rock and roll, huh? Yeah. I'm working better now. You never picked that trailer and check that other side? How did that looks? That one, move and see.
Oh, well, it's in there. That's good.
See it? Yeah.
That's stout.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I think the other side's still on the ground.
It's in the ground. If you want to pick it off and double check and see if you're fine. Make sure.
I gotta get to this job. We don't worry about it afterwards.
Yeah. Every day, make a plan. Is sometimes the plans they don't come out the one that's planning, you know.
What about that little Hooters that goes over there? The little. Oh, there it
Oh.
is.